Okay, so quite a lot has happened since the last video. I've rearranged the garage here a little bit, so I've got more room to work. And I've taken the top off of the water pump. So this is the area that I used to be in, just this little square here. And I had both my engines there, but now I've got all of this. I've just got all my tools on and stuff before I work out where to put them all. But I've got my engine, which I'm going to fix here. Got my water pump there, and I've got the engine I'm using for parts over there. I've got my parts, my spare parts from the engines along the back. Got my tools, and just some stuff I use now and again. So I think this video is just to me a bit of an update and some information on the water pump. I've just got the water pump sitting here. I haven't done much to it because I haven't been able to get the top off. But we got some tools from our friend and it came off. Okay, so this is what the water pump looks like just now. But before, it looked like this, and it had this bolt on the top going straight through. But none of my tools were big enough to get the bolt off. So I got a friend. We got the right tool off of a friend, and on the inside, I don't think you'll be able to see it, but it's really badly rusted. So here you can see inside, the corrosion is pretty bad. There you go. And that's the same to the top bit here. I don't know what I'm going to do because I feel like it's going to be really hard to get that corrosion out and it'll just corrode over again. I could try and stop it from corroding again by painting it, but I think that would just be too much effort. But here is the valve bit, I guess you could call it. On the bottom, I've snapped this bolt here, but I think it might have been pre-snapped. And then this bolt here was already snapped when I got it. I haven't taken these bits off yet. Actually, I think it was that way around when I got it. It was that way around, and I snapped that bolt there. And I've just got the pieces from it down here. So I believe that goes with that, and then those two are, yeah. So those two come off that one, this one comes off this one. And then on the bottom, you've got the other side. One of these is for letting the water in, one's for letting it out. And then you can also see the thing in there moving. It's quite smooth, the gearbox, so I think it should not be any issue getting it working, but it's just so orange. I don't know why it's that orange. If any of you know, please say. It's also got a gasket on, which is good. It looks fine. I might be able to use it next time. I don't know what lifespan on gaskets is. You see this area here, I don't think I need to get the flywheel off to take this off. So I might try take this off just now, or I'll just WD it up and WD-40 it and do that next week. I'm still just lubricating everything before getting it all moving, and I'm just working on side bits here and there, like the fuel pump. I'll try get all this rust out the bottom there. If you look in here, it's quite muddy, but it doesn't look that bad. I think I'm just going to do a time lapse of me taking this pump apart, just checking everything out. I'm probably laying out all the parts here. Okay, so it's the next day. I ran out of time to finish up the ending of the video, so this is just me ending. I got the pulley off and I stripped off all the exterior bolts and stuff. But the bearing attached to the pulley, it doesn't want to come off, so I've just left it half on, half off, and I'll see what people are saying I should do with it. I've also got the timing side of the main engine off. I never videoed that just because I forgot to. But I'll show you the aftermath of that in the next video probably. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Remember to hit the like and subscribe.